Welcome home. Every time we look inward, we come home to our beautiful self and inner landscape. Go to a space where it is safe and comfortable. Sit quietly. Straighten your spine. Lower your shoulders. Let's take a few 4, 7, 8 pranayama breaths to relax our whole body. If you feel dizzy or unwell during the exercise, simply return to normal breathing and your body will regulate. The cycle goes like this. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale through the mouth for 8, pursing the lips to make the sound. If you can't hold for that long, don't worry. Just do what you can and honor your body. Alternatively, you could keep the ratio and inhale for 2 seconds, hold for 3.5, and exhale for 4. We will do the 4, 7, 8 now. I will keep count for the first round only. Exhale completely to begin. Then, inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathing in. Hold the breath. Long breath out. Last 2, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Final round. Breathing in. Hold. Long exhale. Beautiful. Absorb the benefit of the breath. Go back to your natural breath, feeling relaxed. Research shows that the 4-7-8 breathing technique can significantly remove stress and anxiety by relaxing the nervous system, improve heart rate variability, HRV, and blood pressure, and get to sleep more easily. To reap its full benefits, do this twice a day for 4 breaths each time. Build it up to 8 breaths each time after practicing for a month, according to Integrative Dr. Andrew Wales. Now gently direct your attention to your nostrils as air passes in and out. Imagine each breath as a small bubble of air. With the next exhale, observe the bubble growing larger. Visualize the air coming to you from a bigger area on your next inhale. Keep expanding and envisioning the air, incoming and going out to the whole room. If you see a window looking outside now, or if there's no open window around, see it in your mind. Keep expanding the breath. perceiving it coming to you from the neighborhood. The fields, the city, keep expanding the breath. Don't stop until you perceive planet Earth giving you air with every inhale and taking the air back with every exhale. Continue with the breath along with the vision. The oxygen we breathe in comes from plants, protected by the atmosphere of Earth. The clean water we drink comes from rain and the balance between land and ocean. Our food comes from plants and animals on Earth. Our shelter is made of wood, metals, and other materials provided by Earth. Only when we are safe, we have the opportunity to learn, seek connection, and live with meaning. Earth is like the whole body, and we are its individual cells. A liver cell and a brain cell don't look alike and serve different functions. Yet, when there's a tumor in the liver, the brain cell would not go, "Lucky I'm up here and don't look the same as the liver cell. It is not my problem. I never liked the liver cell anyway. If they go, it means there's more for me." No, it would not do that. It would try to heal the liver, coordinating with different parts of the body, for it recognizes if the toxins in the bloodstream are not cleared long-term, the whole body, including the brain, is on its path to demise. Similarly, our water source is filled with microplastics. We cannot say we're safe in North America. It's an Asian or European problem. Microplastics are found from the poles to the equator, from the mountains to the depths of the ocean, from human breast milk to human blood. We are one, and we all can thrive only if we face and deal with the issues together, much like the brain cells and the liver cells. Earth, our whole body, has been so giving, so good to us. What inspired actions are we taking to honor Earth today and every day from now? What can we do to heal Earth, which is really ourselves? Now gently connect your breath to the body. Observe without control. Slowly move your fingers and toes. Stretch and extend your arms if that feels good to you. Put your palms together in front of your heart, gathering the positive energy. Give thanks to yourself, your body, every being, and planet Earth for making this life possible. Bring oneness, harmony, joy, kindness, wisdom, and deep gratitude to our daily life for all that Earth has provided us. Thank you. With love.